Welcome to our guide on how to upload a receipt to Docyt. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Docyt account. To access the receipt list, go to the top header menu and click Expense Management. Select Receipt box from the drop-down menu and choose Receipt List to view all your receipts. Click the blue plus button to add a new receipt. Drag and drop your receipts or click on Select from your computer to browse and select the file you want to upload. Upon uploading a receipt, Docyt's AI engine automatically extracts critical data such as the merchant's name, amount, and date. Click Save and Close. Click on the green bar to reload, and the uploaded receipt will show up at the top of the list. Docyt provides a custom email address that allows you to send receipts directly to your receipt box. Click on the blue email button to copy your unique receipt box email. Compose an email from your email account. Paste the above copied email address in the recipient address field. Attach the receipts to that email and send the email. And there you have it. You have now learned how to upload a receipt in Docyt. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.